Thank you for taking the time. Could you tell us a little bit about yourself and your role here at Mivan?
Yeah, so I'm David. I'm the digital construction lead at Mivan, focusing on the transition from 2D to 3D and rolling that out to the design department and throughout the company.
So you've played a really pivotal role in this transition from 2D to 3D.
Mm-hmm.
Can you walk us through what that entailed really and what it looked like?
My role focuses mainly on the processes that we're setting up and trying to set up and continue to develop within Mivan. The main element is setting up a 3D library and making project-specific libraries. It'll enable us to quickly roll projects out through design with all the manufacturing detail in the models, and that enables us to go straight through to CNC and manufacture.
So moving to 2D to 3D was really tough, right?
Yeah.
Can you give us an idea of what the experience looked like from the perspective of someone that was involved in the day-to-day?
Whenever we started our digital transformation journey, you were available constantly, and that really gave us it gave us a platform to air everything that we needed to, and you were able to provide solutions to whatever we needed to at the time. We've also worked very closely with universities, and having that link to universities and enabling us to constantly develop with them, it has been a massive help to us as well. We also use the universities to help with our Navigate program, which is our student program. The student program enables us to bring in the younger generation and really pass on the knowledge that we have gained through working yourself as well.
And is that Navigate program, is it the apprenticeship program that you're known for, or is that something completely different?
There's two programs, the apprenticeship program and the Navigate program.
So I understand you do really interesting work with apprentices here at Mivan, and you take really serious interest into your people.
Yes.
Can you maybe talk to us a bit about the apprenticeship program as well?
The apprenticeship program is, I believe, a 4-year program, and the 4 years enables them to develop over the 4 years and look at more complex items as they go through their joinery apprenticeship. The Navigate program is split up into a student and a graduate program. The student program looks at a 1-year placement, and we try and give back to the students as much as they're given to us. So they will obviously, coming straight out of university, they're in line with the latest technology and everything like that. So whenever we bring them in, they talk to us and they see if they can help us in any way. But it's mainly for us to help give back to them as well. The graduate program is a 2-year program, and yet again, at the end of that 2 years, we try and develop them as much as possible.
Okay, very good. And for you, David, I mean, what is the next step beyond this 2D to 3D? What does the next year, 3 years, 5 years have for Mivan from your perspective?
It's a really exciting time for Mivan. The 2D to 3D transformation will be pivotal in how we run things. The 3D elements, what we're able to do now with 3D is build in all manufacturing detail into the models, meaning that it can come straight through to the CNC, and really by increasing the machine intensity we're able to streamline the whole manufacture process. So another exciting element is BIM, and we're really coming into that now, where we're looking at the inventor to Revit side of it all, and how they can collaborate and how they can talk. And that will help us minimize a lot of rework and help us with clash detections and seeing if there's any problems. So every single problem could be outlined before it's even manufactured.